let me quickly share you the workflow of this project.
First, I adjust the image in Camera Raw to get a solid base. Then I created the dreamy effect that consists to duplicate the image, applied a lens blur with an hexagonal shape. Then I use curve to balance the contrast and the exposure between the layers. To put the effect further, I added a white overlay layer at low opacity, giving the image that soft and dreamy glow. Next, I move on the analog look, using a masked black layer, so I isolate the subject and created a black and white background that's adding this effect of halo around the character. I also enhance the phone flash with a radial gradient, fading from white to transparent. Blend in overlay mode for a more natural light effect. To finish, I add a few reflective gradients and blend them using soft light to recreate the feel of an old TV screen. If you want, you can check the project on my Patreon.